class 9. Myself Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, welcoming you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy. The students, your second major test is now expected to take place in this month, and probably it will start from 14th of September. You might have got the routine, and we have completed a truly beautiful mind. After that, there is a lesson, the snake and the mirror. As you know, that lesson has been deleted for your coming examinations, so there is no need of going through that lesson. After that, there is a poem, and that poem has also been deleted. So we have a new poem today, Legend of Northland. Northland is a country, and legend means a common song that is sung by everybody in that very particular state, particular country, or in that very particular locality. Students, this poem has been written by Fauve Cairy. It is written in form of ballad. As you know that there are so many kinds of poetry. This present poem has been written, as I have stated earlier, that this is just like a song, and that song is generally at the tongue of everybody. You can say most of the people of that Northland, and this is a story of an old lady who just made St. Pecker angry because of her greed. She was an old lady, but she was very greedy, and she couldn't arrange for a single piece of bread for St. Pecker, who was just a great saint of the locality, who was moving from one place to another in order to just deliver his lectures, religious, social, or other kinds of lectures which are badly needed by common people of the society. So while he was moving in one of the corner of the Northland, the day was going to be completed, and the time that was about to come was evening. Everybody tries to take a safe shelter, especially in the season of winter. This is a winter season, and as you know that in winter season, days are shorter than the nights. Days are not as fresh as they used to be in summer season. So the saint decided to take for a shelter, and he also wanted that there should be proper arrangement for food also. So he decided to take a shelter, and while he was moving, he was stepping ahead and ahead. He also came to hear the harness of the swift reindeer. They were just carrying a vehicle, namely sledge. Whenever there is a snowfall in any part of the country, sledge becomes an important vehicle, not big vehicle to carry with the heavy loads, rather it is a small and it's helpful. People generally play with that one, and small children, they generally sit in that cab, in that sledge, and they look like wear skit. They wear funny clothes. It means the atmosphere, the natural sights of the place looks very beautiful during winter season, and in that moment, in that time, St. Peter was now continuing and stepping out in connection with a shelter as well as food. So this present poem came into existence. If this is told, this cannot be believed by most of the people, but it is true, and it seems to be true. Saint Peter now walked about, and he was always on in connection with delivering his lecture, religious discourse and others. And in that connection, he came to the door of a cottage. There was a beautiful hut. In that hut, there was a little woman who was making cakes and baking them for her proper food. He went to that hut, he went to that cottage, he stopped there, he told the lady that he wanted shelter, and not shelter, but he must be provided food. And the lady, the old woman, was making cakes. So what happened after that, we shall come to know in the next video. Rest of the paragraphs will be taught to you for that one. Thank you. Have a nice day.